So we've just got a few points on myth busting. So GDPR was muttered in the room a bit earlier on. So question, doesn't this risk sharing personal data? And the answer is no. Focus on OpenActive is opportunity data. We're not talking about personal data here. So this information that we're talking about opening up is already likely visible to the public. It's just not in an accessible format to be used in lots of different places. The only occasion really with open data where GDPR might come into play is if you wanted to publish the name of an instructor or a coach and contact details for that person depending on what type of session it is. In which case, if you are the ones opening up the data, it's making sure you have an agreement in place with those instructors and coaches that they're comfortable to do that. If they're not comfortable to do that, you don't open up that area of information. Another question, are people putting their data into one big open access platform? No, we don't have a platform, we don't have an app. We are making it possible and helping to enable lots of different types of products and services meeting different consumer needs. As I said earlier, this is not about a one-size-fits-all solution. There are lots of different types of people, demographics, needs, use cases, and we don't think that there is a one-size-fits-all solution for those people. Shouldn't everyone just come to my website? So I do get this question a lot. Why would I, give my information out to other apps and services when I want them to come to my website? Well, the real question here is, do you want people to come to your website or do you want people to come to your sessions? And the more places that data can be found, the more likely you'll be able to reach different types of consumers. If they become a loyal customer or participant, chances are they will go to your website. They don't want to search through lots of different options if they know what they want. But if they've not heard of you before, they're not going to know to go to your website. If I publish my data, I won't have control over it, or people might pretend to be me. So as I mentioned earlier, this data has an open data license against it. So it means anyone can use this data, but they have to attribute it back to you. They can't say, I'm running these sessions, when in fact it's the FA or British Triathlon running these sessions. So the open data license expressly forbids third parties from imitating you or claiming to be your company.